Just a niece.
We're on our way to Termini train station, on the way to see the Colosseum. I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. So, talking to myself. But like I was saying before, you probably didn't hear that before because I wasn't filming. But the cabs and the Uber, very expensive. So you want to take the public transportation out here in Rome and France. Definitely want to do that. Prices then went up out here. So I'll let you guys check out some of Rome. They got motorcycles like crazy out here. It's like motorcycle row. Nobody has car. Man. All these motorcycles. Sheesh. Fresh look. Oh no! Oh no! I can't. Can't for nothing. Can't do it. Try to panhandlers. Trying to hustle. Can't hustle a hustler. Can't hustle a hustler from Detroit. This is the train station. Very busy. You got a fine metro. Sheesh. Metro train. Yeah, it's like a nice train bus station. I think this is one of the main ones in Rome. We'll be figuring out how to get some tickets. I know they got an information booth somewhere. That's the Termini, Italio. That's the train though. I don't think this is I don't know. I can't. Is this how you excuse me? Do you speak English? No. Metro, you know about Metro? The Metro? Yeah. How do you get tickets? Oh, downstairs? Oh, we gotta go downstairs. This is the train up here. Downstairs is you said it was a subway, right? Okay. I hope you can just pay and pop on and off. Yeah, so we're trying to get on this train. The subway, rather. Not the train, the subway. Okay, we found it. That's the metro. So, it's below. Now we gotta figure out how to get these tickets. Hope we only sick about ourselves, you know? Because where do you buy the ticket at? ticket office? Active? Where? That's the active ticket office. What's active? Is this ticket for Metro?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, thank you. Appreciate it. Huh?
Yeah, that's the website.
Okay. Yeah, we trying to go on this Metro. So before it's too late, we gotta meet the group at 10 o'clock. So, but I will be back once we get these tickets. The train. Subway route. So we'll be in there. I think we got 2 stops. We'll be there. Got 2 stops. Yeah, they moving quick out here. So we are now on our way to meet up with this little group, archaeologists. No, not archaeologists. Colosseum, or we going south?
I think so.
So we won't see an archaeologist. That's Pompeii.
I'm just wondering where we are. Drifting into space, keep driving on the freeway. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and there for hours.
Must. Oh God, we gotta use this to get out? Oh, what's that? Pizza everywhere. Pizza. Pizzeria. Sandwiches and pizza everywhere. They love sandwiches out here. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. And look at that. The Colosseum. So they got the sign. You gotta find the group.
Where I go in here?
But do you know the name of the group? So I can find them? What that is right there.
We're going to mention
Okay.
Yeah. You gotta find her. I know they said you gotta look for something, huh? Look at this. That's the Colosseum right there. It's huge. Once we find our tour guide, we'll get back with you.